everyone! Thank you for downloading Holo. We are so excited to join you on your English learning journey. Today we are going to walk you through how to use this app. You're going to be speaking fluently in no time. Creating an account on Holo is simple. Use your Facebook, Google account, email address, or phone number to create your account. Go through the onboarding pages to learn how to use Holo.
Through your profile, you can show other students and teachers who you are, where you're from, and why you're excited to learn English. Go to your profile and click on More to update your profile picture, cover photo, and your personal bio. If you're subscribed to a teacher, you can see their schedule on both theirs and your profile. To find a schedule of a teacher you're not subscribed to, or to sign up for a private lesson, go to their profile. If you're a premium user or have had a private lesson, you can also visit your profile to rewatch your live streams and lessons.
Learn from English teachers 24/7. Ask questions and interact to learn. Use Holo Coins to subscribe to a teacher so you can hop on and practice speaking in real time. Donate coins to support teachers and send highlighted messages in real time on their live streams. Join other students' live streams to practice speaking with them at any time for free.
Students can use 300 Holo Coins to subscribe to their favorite teacher. Subscriptions come packed with benefits such as sub-only chat and video, exclusive group chat, private messages, schedules, and a beautiful balloon as a badge on the teacher's streams.
Private lessons are a great way to have one-on-one conversations with a native speaker. You can have private lessons through instamatch and scheduling. Instamatch's price is the same for everyone, and you get to practice in real time. Schedule private lessons with your favorite teacher by visiting their profile page.
Instamatch is one of Holo's best features. At the click of a button, you can practice with other language learners, listening and speaking English anytime you want. It's like the Uber of language learning. Once you find someone you want to talk with, click on Accept. You can practice speaking with another language learner for free, or you can use Holo Coins to practice with a native speaker or teacher. Remember, we strive to make Holo a fun, safe place for every language learner. So please be kind and polite with others, and focus on practicing speaking English. After each call, you can give an honest review to the other person, which can help us all do better. And if someone persists in being unkind, you can always block or report them right away.
On Holo, there's nearly 1 million people around the world learning English. And there's hundreds of brilliant and capable teachers to help you become fluent. On the search feature, you can look for teachers that you might want to book a private lesson with or follow when they do live streams. In addition, you can also search for other students from around the world that you might want to practice with to become fluent together.
Holo Premium helps students become fluent faster. Students can have a 7-day free trial or pay a monthly subscription to access the following. 1. Unlock every feature without leveling up. 2. Practice on unlimited streams and video calls. 3. Bring up to 4 friends live at one time on your stream. 4. Select partners based on gender or region for Instamatch. And 5. Record your streams on your profile to rewatch. And number 6. Have your name in gold with a golden Holo badge to show your support for the Holo family.
Why would you use a boring English app? On Holo, we make it fun, and we try to gamify the whole experience. So there's lots of features you can unlock on the Holo app, and at each step of the way you can visualize your progress. So you can unlock things like unlimited video streaming with your friends, video calls on Instamatch, and other great features to bring your English game to the next level.
Jiu-Jitsu and Taekwondo.
Yes, I know Jiu-Jitsu and Taekwondo.
Because Jiu-Jitsu is one form of martial arts and he knows a second. 1 and 2. I know Jiu-Jitsu and Taekwondo.